Welcome to Anna's Wonderland. Today we are going to make oobleck. What you will need is cold water, food coloring, a bowl, and cornstarch, and a fork. You can use a spoon too. So we're going to add our food coloring to the water.
How much water did you use?
1 cup.
1 cup.
How much cornstarch?
2 cups. So once you add your food coloring, you dump the water into your bowl, and then you add the cornstarch. Okay, that got very pushy. As you're stirring this, you're gonna see the texture of oobleck and ketchup and other non-Newtonian fluids.
It's really hard at first because it's too thick, but see, it's starting to look like oobleck now.
Who's your assistant?
My dad, Bill. He's a YouTuber too.
But this is why you want cold water. If you have hot water, then it absorbs too fast and it's too hard to break up. But this would also help if next time if you add some of the cornstarch and mix it in and then add a little more. And the trick is you gotta go slow, because what's non-Newtonian fluid? If you go fast, does it act different?
Yeah, it acts like a liquid.
Acts like a solid. So,
And
see,
then
if I go fast, it's hard.
And then if you don't add a lot of pressure, then it acts like a liquid. I think it's ready. Just gonna add this cornstarch on the edges.
You think it's ready?
Mhm.
Let's see, it seems a little runny. Put it in the cornstarch one.
This?
Mm-hmm.
Now put it over. I'm gonna try an experiment. Slowly put your hand to the bottom and try to pull it out. It's hard. Really sticky. That's too hard. And I'm gonna try to punch in the bowl. It acts like a solid. But what? Yeah, that's oobleck. And if I put my hands very slowly on it, then it acts like a liquid.
Well, it might need a little more time to dissolve.
Yeah.
It might even need a little more of this, okay?
And if it's like very runny, then you should add more cornstarch. And how it transforms itself is when the water molecules get in between the cornstarch molecules. It has a property of both a liquid and a solid.
Oh, look at it now.
Oh my.
Ready?
You enjoyed it.
Amy, come here.
So funny. So hard. Now I'm gonna try to do my experiment. Oh, it's like it wants to have my hand. Bye. See you next time on Anna's Wonderland. Oh, and one thing, when you put your hand in the water, then it acts like a liquid. And how it transforms itself is when the water molecules get in between the cornstarch molecules. It has a property of both a liquid and a solid. Oh my. You enjoyed it. So funny. So hard. Now I'm gonna try to do my experiment. Oh, it's like it wants to have my hand. Bye. See you next time on Anna's Wonderland.
See you next time on Anna's Wonderland.
when you're done making it, do not put it down your sink. It will clog your drain.
Well,
Instead, put it off and put it in a plastic bag and just tie it off and throw it in the garbage.
well,
Bye. See you next time.
then it just drains through.
Hi. Today I'm gonna show you how you can play with oobleck. So if you let your hand rest in the oobleck, it can slowly, and you can see this, it's holding on to your hand, and when you try to pull it out, if it's all the way there, it's very hard, and you can get big chunks of it, of oobleck. See, watch. Oh, I lifted up. Whoa. Oh, there we go. And then you can scrape it off. If you spread out your fingers, it's gonna be easy to get it out. And then you're gonna take a big chunk. When you take it out, it's gonna act like a solid. But you take it out, and then you kind of make it a solid. And then as you pass it up to your hands, you're applying pressure to it faster. And then when you just let it drift, it kind of goes into a solid thing. And then sometimes it will just roll off your hand into your other hand and your other hand still. And then you can try an experiment. Be like me. You slowly put your hand to the bottom. I'm trying to put my hand in the bottom. And then, as quick as possible, you can pull out your hand really fast. Oh, I lifted up the side. Watch. So hard to get to the very bottom. Got it. Why it's doing it is because you weren't applying pressure, and then you were applying pressure. And then you can try it with both hands. I'm gonna try that. I'm grabbing onto the oobleck, and when you grab onto the oobleck, you can lift up the whole bowl. See? Woo! Bye.